Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about some beautiful topics regarding law of indices. In the last video I taught you some laws, but rest of the laws I will discuss today in this session. So hope you have to enjoy this session, and you must watch MGSS YouTube channel. In the previous session, I taught 4 different laws, and their list are a to the power m into a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. Second one was a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m into b to the power m can be written as a into b whole to the power m. And last one was a to the power m divided by b to the power m, which is equal to a upon b whole to the power m. These all laws I taught in the last session, and you have sure watch the video. If you have not, then you have to go and you watch all these 4 laws. Today in this session, I have to discuss the rest of the laws. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Second law, a to the power m whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m into n. And last one is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So let's start these 3 laws with explanation. And first I start to a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m, which can also be written as a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. What it means, you just see with the help of examples. Actually, any number has been given upon 1 upon 2 to the power 5. It can easily be written as 2 to the power minus 5. Or suppose that 3 to the power minus 4, any number has been given, which can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 4. So you have to just keep in mind that 3 to the power minus 4, when the power is negative, then you have to take its reciprocal, and negative must be converted into positive one. It has the great applications. Suppose that 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1, and you have to add. Actually, you have to utilize the above formula to solve this question. And 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2, because 1 plus 1 are generally not written. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. And after that, you know very well that it is the simple addition, and you can just solve by doing the process of it. So its final conclusion is 5 upon 6. Such type of question has already given in your book, and you have to just do that. So any sort of negative, suppose that sometimes it has been given that in any type of questions has been given in this form. Actually 1 upon 3 to the power 3, and you have to convert into negative form. So you can easily be converted by this way. 1 upon 3 to the power 3 can easily be written as 3 to the power minus 3, and you have just convert a positive power into negative 1. So positive can easily be converted into negative, or negative can easily be converted into positive 1. Now I am going to discuss about the second law, a to the power m. Suppose that any sort of question has been given in this form. Actually, you can just see that 2 cube and its raised to the power 5. In this question, what you do? Actually, you can just do by using this formula. Actually, according to this formula, you can just write down 2 to the power 3 into 5, which can easily be written as 15. So actually, it is equal to 2 to the power 15. Any other question? 3 square to the power, suppose that 2. It can be easily by using this formula, it can be written as 2 into 2 and further 4, and if you need to find out the value, then you know that it can easily be find out the value by using the definition of exponents. Actually 3 to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied how many times? 4 times, and after that you need to multiply, and if you multiply, then what you get? Actually 81. So by this way you are able to find out its value. Suppose that you need to find out the value in this case by doing the calculation, then 2 is multiplied how many times? 15 times. You have to multiply and then you get the accurate, the absolute value of this question. Similarly, you can do the several type of questions. Suppose that one more question I just take 5 to the power 3 and raised to the power 2. How can you solve that? Actually 5 to the power 3 into 2, and it can be written as 5 to the power 6, and you need to multiply 5 how many times? 6 times to get its value. So by utilizing this is an important for laws of indices that you can utilize to solve the question. Last formula, you can just see that a to the power 0 is equal to 1, and this is an important laws. It is due to that when the number has been given 5 to the power 0 plus 6 to the power 0, and it is given in the form of addition, and you need to find out how can you find out 5 to the power 0 is 1, 6 to the power 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So simply you can just find out the value. You have to just keep in the mind that that any number whose power is 0 must be equal to 1. So you can just see that x to the power 0, its value is 1. It doesn't matter that which type of number has been given. If power is 0, then its result must be equal to 1, and you can just utilize this law to solve the question. My dear student, I am going to discuss about some examples of the related exercise. One question that is given in your exercise, 5 to the power q into 5 to the power 7 is equal to 5 to the power k, and you need to find out the value of k. Actually, in this question, you have to utilize a to the power m into a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. And utilizing it, you must see that 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 7. So it is going to be added is equal to 5 to the power k. 3 plus 7, you know very well that it is equal to 10, is equal to 5 to the power k, and there is also a formula that if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, on the rules of the equality, if the bases are same and both the exponential are equal, then its power must be same. You have to utilize this formula, m must be equal to n. In this case, you can just see that k is equal to 10, and that is the answer of this question. One more question I just take. Here it has been given that using law of exponents, write the following in exponential form. In exponential form, you have to write down. Actually, a question has been given a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Look at in which formula it apply. Actually, a to the power 4, b to the power 4, bases are different. Bases are actually a and b. Since bases are a and b, and this is why you have to utilize the law, and you can just see that there is a law, a to the power m into b to the power m. When bases are different and powers are same, then what is its value? A into b to the power m. And by utilizing this formula, you can just see that a into b and whole to the power 4, it means ab whole to the power 4. That is the law, that is the solution of this question. Thanks for watching MDSS YouTube channel, and also I have just discussed the law of indices with some suitable examples. In next video I will discuss some different or important problems related to this exercise. Hope you have to enjoy this session. Thank you very much.